Yeah, we went toward Austin to pick up the new drones and get a little bit of training and familiarization with them. This is part of the Colorado River that feeds Lake LBJ. Yeah, this is the west end of Lake LBJ. After dark, I went to thermal with White Hot. Yeah, here's two guys standing by a campfire. They're a little over a quarter of a mile away. Yeah, you have to look real close and zoom up because tree trunks hold heat. So do metal posts, wooden posts. You have to look pretty close. The river's down. This is a dry creek bed, and there's a boat in a slip right there. And then across the river is where we are. Tommy's walking toward a concrete bridge. You see there going across this dry creek bed. It's pretty clear. I switched to Black Hot, and we've got about a 47-degree air temperature with little wind and little humidity at this point. And here's the landing. There's our little cottage. It's definitely interesting.